Alright, this is some acetone. I got it for less than $20 at Home Depot. Here's some trim I got. I'm going to pour this trim into this cup. Not all of it, that's just too much. Anyway, alright. And dump some acetone in there, about enough to make it like soupy, where you can slosh it around so that you can get it moving in there, so you can extract everything. I also have a glass stick. Don't use plastic or metal. Acetone does extract plastic or metal. You'll be smoking that if you use it. But stir it good. Stir it about every 5 minutes. Leave it in there for maybe like 15-20 minutes. Stir it every 5 minutes. Or give it a good shake or swirl or something and get it moving. Alright, I've actually got some roaches that have already been sitting. All I have is paper towels right now, but it's better to use cheesecloth or coffee filters or something. Paper towels work fine though. They're just kind of easy to rip. Be careful. Now THC is 99% soluble in acetone, so it comes out pretty quick. If you let it sit for 20-30 minutes though, just make sure that everything comes out into the acetone. Alright. Now, I just keep adding to this, let it evaporate, and it's going to be oil. And in the Rick Simpson video, he said that any sparks are going to make it explode. I just thought I'd show everybody. Here's a fire right here. I'm putting it above it, behind it, all the way around. Like, as long as you're not stupid, you're not going to die. Like, don't light it on fire. Like, it's not going to just blow up from a spark, though. You can smoke cigarettes. Alright, well, I will do a follow-up video, either after it has evaporated more, or if I decide to put it on a stovetop. But that's it for now. Alright, I'm just going to add more to it and do the same thing again. Alright.